How to add a new account in the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Chart of account lists all the accounts that a business requires to record transactions. To create a new account, go to the settings menu and select chart of accounts. Now select see your chart of accounts. Don't modify any account without discussing with your accountant first. From the top right corner, select new and then choose the type of account. Now in QuickBooks, you have the income account, expenses account, assets account, liabilities account, and equity account. The bank and credit card accounts are part of the asset accounts. The banks and credit card accounts are displayed separately because you can link your actual bank accounts and actual credit cards with QuickBooks Online. In this instance, I'm going to create an asset account. So I select asset. In save account under, I'll select a fixed asset account. Then I can select the type of fixed asset that I'm creating an account for. Let's say my business bought a couple of computers. I can create a new fixed asset computers account to record the transaction. I can enter the name of the account and a description. I can also enter the starting date and opening balance for the fixed asset account. So I can choose the starting date. Because this is a new account, I can select today and then input the actual amount for the computers that were bought. At the bottom of the new account menu, you'll find the balance sheet which displays the place of the new asset account that you created. Finally, once you have verified your information, you can click on save and you can find the account listed in the chart of accounts under the fixed asset account types.